Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to be showing you how to use Malwarebytes antivirus. So you just want to click on or type up Malwarebytes, free Malwarebytes download, whatever. And make sure you go to their actual website. Um, and then right here, it's free download. Once you get it, you can run it. And first, you want to go into the settings. If you're going to keep it as free, just use it as free, then you need to go into settings, account. And then right here, it will say deactivate it. Deactivate license. You'll click that and you're good. And then you just want to click scan, and we'll walk through a scan. And we'll see if it picks up anything. And sometimes, if you go to a bad website, and the IP of the website is known and is blacklisted, then Malwarebytes will pop up and say website block due to phishing, due to fraud, due to whatever. As in my other video, which is in the phishing attacks playlist, you can see right here that it says website blocked due to fraud. And we can see this, and we could see it. So, as this is running, maybe just for the fun of it, maybe we can, oops, not this. 52.7.173. So, we have a well, it's not secure, of course, but, so Google just comes up and Firefox will be the same, that it says the connection is not private. Attackers may be trying to steal your information from this: passwords, messages, credit cards. Well, from this, due to fraud, that's true. But let's go to advanced. And the security certificate is from whatever the heck this is. But let's do it anyways. And it's probably just going to be it'll probably lead to nowhere. And this is still going. And it'll just run, and then it'll get to the point where 52.7.173.99. That's not it. Let's go to... I'm just trying to... Voucher... Where is it? Voucher... Save... Oh. Vouchers Avenue, no. Is this the website? Trying to go back to this website here. This website. Oh, yeah, this is it. This is it. So, I gotta get to my sign in. I don't know what my email is. My burner email is. This is seriously like how you like This is how you get a ton of spam in your email, is doing like stuff like this. Okay, so we have this. So here is all of the stuff that it found. And it looks like it's 357. Now, the last time I did this, it was 0. So, adware energy. Right, I was going to do a video about this. So this is just adware. And a lot of this is adware. The thing is that is this from today, though? Not that. This PC. Local disk C. Users. User 1. You know, I gotta get rid of all of this stuff. Okay, let's see where this is, and we can actually search for it. Energy. Local energy. Energy. This is from before. And then, guess what? We tried to delete it. Oh, it actually did delete it. Actually, let's delete all of this. Wait, no, Google. We need Google. Well, the great thing about that is this. The great thing about Malwarebytes and whatever tracker is that we can do quarantine. And here, I should probably just show this. And it's just going to quarantine it. You might need to restart the computer even. Not sure. Depends how bad it is. And then we're done. And they also create something called ADW Cleaner by Malwarebytes. It's the same exact thing. So we can run that as well, and this is how you do it. You just scan now. And let's see if it finds any of that stuff that we just had. Probably that adware stuff, or potentially unwanted programs. See adware, ad search. So we can do quarantine, and we can do continue. And that's how you use Malwarebytes and ADW Cleaner. Very helpful. They're free, and you know, I think they're one of the best free. Malwarebytes is one of the best free ones. You know, I've hit this virtual machine with so much malware that at one point Malwarebytes found 999 items. And then I ran it again, and it found 300. And then I ran it a third time, and then it found nothing. Same with ADW Cleaner. ADW Cleaner, it's not as good. It's more for it's really good for pre-installed software and you know, adware, potentially unwanted programs, pups. But Malwarebytes is really good for everything.